Hey, darling. Nice to see you. Hey, look, Tom's here. Hi, babe.
You look nice. Who are you trying to express?
Hello, what are you doing here, stranger?
Good, how are you?
So how's training going?
Good. Yeah, everything's fine.
Yeah?
Everything's looking good. A load of friends and family out there, and hopefully everyone can support us.
Well, your mum doesn't want you to know this, but she's going to be wearing her lucky knickers.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Last time she wore them, you got a gold medal.
Hi.
You know all that
alright?
stuff? I'll pop up the side.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nachos, tacos.
So shall I start cooking?
You're right over there.
No, I'm all right. I think I'm all right.
I thought you were the barbecue guru.
Yeah, well, yeah.
The grill master.
The grill master.
Got a nice big red onion. So what are you doing then? Just chilling?
I was actually to spectate for a little
Hey,
bit.
that's my job. What's my job?
Whee! We're going to see Emily! Hey! How are you?
Not got any chopping board, or what?
How many you got in your house then?
Huh?
How many you got?
More than one, you know what I mean?
But you don't cook.
I do cook. I'm a great cook, man.
Tracy,
Yeah?
did you hear him? He's a great cook. I taught him well.
Yeah.
The real MVP. Is that my prodigal son?
Right, should we give Nancy a quick call? Yeah. Okay. Does anyone want lemonades? Oh, I'll have a lemonade, please. Hey!
Hi guys.
Hi, darling. You're coming home for the Olympics, aren't you?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Right, well, we'll see you soon then.
All right, sweetheart.
See you later, Nancy.
Bye, darling. Okay, this is ready. Will they have these in Paris?
I hope they do.
Imagine you when you were like 12
Oh, I know.
and you were like, Tom, by the way, you're going to your second Olympics. You'd have an actual heart attack when you got that Michael Phelps poster for your room.
I know.
Do you remember?
I still got it.
No, I know.
I remember us all doing competitions. Do you remember when we did that relay together? All came out in matching Speedos. Having laughs at that, like.
The blue one.
I used to love doing stuff like that.
So Beth, remember that 5K run? And you shot off and we started running and slowly reeled you in, didn't we?
I'm not a runner,
And you
right?
got proper grumpy because we caught you up. You're like, stop, Dad, stop.
You couldn't help it.
Plates are blowing away.
Get it, Mum, quickly.
Remember this, Beth?
Still got the plate on it.
You got that when you were 5.
5.
5th birthday,
Yeah.
that was.
There you go, bit of history.
There we go, guys. Plate yourselves up.
I've been having this on Friday night since I was about 20, I think.
Oh, lovely.
The embarrassing photographs time.
Oh, blimey, Dad.
He loved his bouncy harness when he was little.
Destined for a springboard at that point, aren't I?
Yeah. I used to play the Kinks. A song called Autumn Almanac, but I used to change it to My Little Monkey Jack. When he was bouncing up there.
Has everyone seen this one?
I might be converted to being a veggie after this. Remember when Trevor had vegan mayonnaise and he said he was vegan for a day?
So I'm going to say,
Oh no!
who'd have thought?
You set this up.
Who'd have thought?
There's the handsome guy there.
Who would have thought? Who would have thought that she'd be going to her second Olympics?
Oh God, honestly. I know, I could barely pick my head up then, never mind the weight.
Why are you fighting over the chicken?
Well, you're trying to take the big bit.
Well, stop fighting over the chicken.
There's plenty to go around, you know.
Remember one time at Bournemouth, yeah, he was losing, then he pretended that he hurt his leg.
And come across.
He come on, he was crying, like fell over, rolled down. Cut my ankle, bro. No, he did not. What's that nickname we used to call you back in the day?
Not Kermit.
People still call him Kermit to this day, mate.
Because he
Because he had a green bike
green bike and green kit.
and his head is shape of like Kermit's bean.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Thanks, Dad.
How are you going to wrap yours?
I don't know, I'm just going to eat it.
Oh,
So, just wanted to say big thanks for supporting me along this journey. It's been a bit of a crazy one, but I appreciate everything you guys have done for me, and I can't wait to have you there.
Oh, your sister.
I am so proud of you. I feel so blessed that you're my sister.
Oh, stop!
Thank you, and see you in Paris. Thanks, Dad, for taking all the stress off me. You run around like headless chicken after me, and I really do appreciate it. And Mum, thanks for always being the ear that I need. You'll give me the motivation to do what I need to do.
I just want to say, Dad, thank you so much for everything that you and Mum have done, you know, preparing me for all my Olympics. And obviously, Lois, you've been wonderful to me. And it's so nice having each other there at the Olympics for us to support each other.
Thank you for being the best big sister ever, really. I mean, you've been there through everything, the good times and the bad.
Appreciate you lot for coming and that.
Coming where here?
Paris. Well,
This is one in a lifetime. You think we're not going to come and support?
shout out you lot, man.
Family, innit? It's got to be done.
Definitely be proud of you.
I really appreciate like the support, guys. Paris is obviously going to be the big one, and couldn't have done it without all of you sat in here. You know, speech.
Speech, William. Speech.
As this is the last meal, I'd like to mainly just wish Tom very, very good luck. We will see you there. Look for Mum giving, you know, the thumbs up, and whatever the outcome, we'll be happy, we'll be proud. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Good luck in Paris.
Don't make me cry.